guys, what is up, the KMBR family? And we got done with it. And guys, it's not slime, it's dough. But we can make it into slime if we wanted to. But we might. But that's on a different video. My phone. So this is what it looks like. It's a little sticky. Hers isn't sticky though. Hers is bigger too. Yeah. Because we added more water.
This one doesn't have oil in this.
And guys, we never waited 2 hours. We just waited like an hour or so.
Yeah, I'll show you. We only waited like 30 minutes.
Yeah, we only waited like 30 minutes. Not even an hour.
Yeah.
Like half an hour. Guys, it's literally just dough.
Like you don't have to let it.
I mean, it stretches good. Like slime. And there's air bubbles and stuff. But if you want it to be slime, you can add a little bit of glue. That's really it. Glue and activator, and then you have slime. But we don't have glue or activator.
Actual slime and super stretchy. Let it sit for 2 hours, but
we didn't do that because we were impatient. Like always.
My timer says 52 minutes left.
Wait. Be quiet. So I would say fail, also win.
I'd say win.
Fail and win because we were trying to make slime, but it made dough. And it also does feel really good.
It feels amazing. The only bad part is our mom. Yeah, our mom is like.
Our mom hates slime.
Like she hates it.
She's right now at work, and we're in there.
We don't have school today.
Or tomorrow, or the day after that,
Obviously,
or the day after that.
It's Saturday and Sunday.
We didn't have school Thursday or today.
And we don't have school next Thursday or Friday.
Yeah, because that's when we have our conferences.
Yeah.
I have school next Thursday and Friday.
No.
Yeah, but there'll be a substitute teacher.
We do not have school next Thursday and Friday.
You're talking about the week after that.
What?
No.
What is today?
Today is October
5th?
The 5th, yeah. World Smile Day.
Smile. What is the 5th? What's the 5th? No school, no school.
This is hers. Hers is cold, man.
No way.
Can I mix it? I'm gonna mix it if you don't look at me. I mixed it.
Stop!
Dang it.
And then we have these two. So we do have school. We don't have school next Friday. But we do have school.
Dang, this thing heavy.
We don't have school.
This thing's like.
Malia, we don't have school Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday in 2 weeks.
Pretty sure. I like this.
Yeah.
I like it. Just the fact that it isn't really like slime-like. Like I said. It's almost 4. My mom will be here like 5.
No, she's getting home later. Remember?
Yeah. Because mom went to work at like 8 and she has to do at least 10 more hours. So 8, 4 hours. She'll have 6 hours left, so she'll be here by 6. This is really how I just need with this. Squeeze, go to next, very fast.
It is really fun. It kind of feels like a ball, like a strip ball. Like, it doesn't even feel like slime. It feels like strip dough. Comment which one you think is better. I honestly think this one's better.
Mine, hers is colder and heavier. Mine's light, and it's like, it maybe be a little sticky, but I like little sticky slimes. So I would say this is a win, but a little % of failure, because we were supposed to make slime, supposed to turn into slime. I mean, if you want to wait 2 hours, it'll turn into slime, but we don't want to wait. Yeah, but we'll maybe wait tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah, like wait 2 hours. and then maybe even longer, maybe 3 hours, 4 hours. And then when I wake up early, because I wake up early all the time.
Wake me up.
Okay. My
Should we
mom.
do a morning routine?
Yeah, sure. So we maybe do a morning routine.
Maybe.
That's only if we get 5 likes.
5.
5 likes.
It's really kind of stiffer. I added 1 or 2.
Okay, so this is how our bowls look like.
This
So
one's even better. Feel this one. We haven't traded it yet.
this thing's thick.
It's real thick. You know what I like to do with slime? Here, so this. So take it off your hand, and then
Poke it.
press down.
Oh, and then it goes up and traces your hand.
Yeah, but it's not gonna do it because it's not sticky enough. But it's easier to do when you use both of your hands.
So go like this, and go like this.
It's easier to do with both.
And
of
then
your
I'm gonna
hands.
mix it.
See, look,
Guys, look, I mixed it, and I'm gonna.
look, Will. Like when you stretch it, it looks really weird and like rough. But then when you squish it,
And then you stretch it, it isn't like rough.
no, when you squish it, it looks like soft.
Guys, hers
Smooth.
is way bigger. I'm jealous.
And ours, we're sharing them.
Guys, I don't even know if this can make a day. It's dough.
I know. I'm scared the flour's gonna like.
I have an idea, Kira. Let's just wait 2 hours tonight. There. Even though we already been playing with it. Kira, don't light it on fire, Kira. Okay, quit it. Quit it.
It didn't do
Quit it. Quit it.
anything.
Quit it. Guys, she just lit it on fire and made it a little warm.
Ready,
That's all I did. Look.
Ready?
Look. Now put it off.
Nothing. It's just warm.
It's just hot up there. Hot. Get off of my hand, boy.
Yeah.
Dang.
I want to do that again. That was fun. It's doing nothing. It's doing.
She literally like digged it into the slime.
It's hot though. It's the only thing that's
Nothing.
doing.
Hot. It made it stickier.
A little bit because it's like melting.
Okay, I added the flour and the water. This thing. Is it gonna fit in the bowl?
Right.
I don't know if it's gonna fit in the bowl.
Guys, like we said, we just moved in, so we don't have big bowls. All we have is like pots. Like this.
It's really fun when you roll it.
Should we move it up here? Move the phone up here. See, that's way better. We just need to put something behind it.
Here, just put it right here.
Bro.
No, bro. Mommy's one of the biggest cups.
Oh, heck no. I don't know what to use.
Just put it right here.
No! There's not enough space. It looks really bad. This.
Guys, look. When you like do it like this, it takes all the
We can't make a
stuff
slime
off.
bubble.
Huh?
We can't make a slime bubble.
Kira, you thinking what I'm thinking?
It doesn't pop at all.
Kira, you thinking what I'm thinking?
It's little duck. What?
Thinking what I'm thinking?
Nope.
Add soap. Just a little bit though.
Sure.
Up your back.
Yeah, we have this purple soap.
Yeah. This purple salt, this Paris, I'm only gonna add a little tiny bit.
I'm so scared.
A little tiny bit. We only literally put a dot. You can't see that? It's only a little bit. Like it's not gonna do anything to it, I guess.
But it makes it smell kind of good.
Yeah, it makes it smell better. Like even a dot will make that smell better.
But it's really strong soap.
Yeah. As you can see, I'm too short because I can barely even see.
But it's making it less stretchy and kind of stiffier.
It's making it a little bit stretchier, but a little bit stickier.
Not mine. Look.
Look. See, I'm gonna try to make a bubble, which will probably won't work. No, but I love squeeze.
Should we start making more slime videos? Or pranks?
I already think we want to do the Kira. Gonna be tonight.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Okay, guys, you have to see it tonight. Kira, when it was like a year ago, I made like a slime video, and it was like purple nail polish and like oil and stuff, and it was so sticky. It stuck to my desk and everything, and I was acting like I did a YouTube video, and then I accidentally posted it.
Yeah. Can I see it?
After the video.
Okay.
Boom! See, look how stretchy it is, Kira. Look. Why? It's gonna ruin it. Okay, guys, you can see how much when I do it like this. I'm gonna put it into one.
I added a whole squirt.
I added like half a squirt, and I'm mixing it every second. Okay, now that's true.
Oh gosh. Oh goodness.
Get something. Here, use some of mine.
No.
It made it stickier.
It definitely made it stickier, but I feel like I need to add more water because it's not stretchy.
When it's stickier, the good thing about it is that it'll get stuff off of you that you like that. Like for instance, when you poke, it gets all the flour off your out of your nails. So we're gonna let this be in the bowl for 2 hours tonight. And tonight, like when our mom gets here and we're in our like pajamas. Kara, you can use some of the flour if you need any.
No, it's actually working. Adding water makes it better.
Guys, this is like dough.
Literal dough, like pizza dough.
Pizza dough, literally.
So, yeah.
Pretty much it for the video. Oh yeah, that toothpaste stuff and the other thing did not work.
Yeah.
We failed on that.
Wait, you know how we put it in the freezer? Like the
We put it in the freezer for too long.
Yeah, and it like froze. Not
I heard a pop, Kira. Heard a tiny little pop.
How is that possible?
You tell me.
I don't know. That's why I'm asking you.
Just a tiny
Guys,
little pop.
Flour and water is real work.
It does.
You just gotta have patience, which we don't, but
yeah. You have to wait 2 whole hours and let it sit out.
we were trying to occupy ourselves, but it wasn't working.
Kira, I know somewhere we can put our slime. Right here. If you look in here, there's never anything in here.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean it's not going to be.
Or I can find a laundry room where there is.
Oh, guys, we might make a hide and seek video later on today.
No, maybe if our mom says yes. Because she usually plays hide and go seek with us.
I don't like this.
You want to trade?
Yes.
Okay.
Now yours is better than mine.
I like it. Stretchy is just sticky. I can deal with that.
Want to switch? You said you like it.
Why are you saying my whole name? Because I got furious at you when you were about to do it. Her name is Kira.
Shut up.
But
I'll say her own name.
Malia
Christine Ratcher.
I'm not afraid to say it.
I hate my name.
Hers is Kira Brianne Richardson. Honestly, that's not a real name. Her last name is different, but it is Kira Brianne Richardson. Why do you hate it? I like yours better than mine.
I like yours better than mine.
I can pronounce yours better. Mine, people call me Malaya or Mariah.
Malaya.
Yeah, also that. Cause the Malia, Mariah, they all sound alike, and
Mariah.
yeah, they call me Mariah sometimes.
Even if they see your name?
No, sometimes they say my name wrong.
Oh.
Like I could punch the flippin' dough. Like, it could be a thin layer of dough too, on a hard surface, and I couldn't. Well, that's how you make pizza dough. Okay, stop being so loud. We're in an apartment. Don't forget about that. Whew. Okay, it's like
Guys,
3:55.
should we make like a soap slime and add a weird ingredient?
add the dough?
Or
No.